Hey MoonToken Fam, it's me, Stacy, your project lead, and this is your update from September 17th to September 24th, 2021. Yeah. Okay, so a few things I want to update you guys on. Our SHILL Army is growing. Yeah. And I've been so pleasantly surprised with the power of community igniting, which really means that people have been reaching out to me and offering like their different skills and talents. So, you know, when we were creating that short, like 30-second elevator pitch of MoonToken, which was, you know, MoonToken, community powered BSC token, and that MoonToken is built on the skills, the talents, and the resources of the community. Like, this is all coming into play now. People are reaching out, family members are reaching out, they're contributing, and we're growing in a very creative, cohesive, and collaborative way. And I really like it. I've been telling so many people about our MoonToken community, and they keep on telling me, oh gosh, what you guys have is really, really unique. And I'm like, I know it. So thank you guys, and come join us in our SHILL Army, because we shill together. Okay, shill means like we kind of support and like market and just show our love for MoonToken together on different social media platforms. And then it's kind of just like it's got this like lieutenant, I don't know, left hand or right hand, I think this side, like Captain General Army kind of feel to it. It's really fun, and hope to see you there. Secondly, our AMA recap. We had an awesome possum AMA on September 12th, and it was so great. And it's on the link below. We had such an awesome discussion, and we talked about our future plans and how we're building MoonToken as an ed tech company. Ed is education plus technology, and we're going to be releasing our roadmap very soon. There is a person named Lee in our Telegram who made this like initiative. He said that if I get to release a roadmap this week, make a video of it, then he's going to pledge 0.1 BNB, and that sparked more people pledging with him. And so now there's more pledges for our donation wallet. So I'm really excited about that. Thank you, Lee, for making this initiative. And I think we're over 1 BNB right now. So yeah. Oh, that means I have to release a roadmap soon. Okay. I'll work on it. And the last thing I want to talk to you, today's a short one, is that we have our upcoming workshops. So that's 2 workshops in the works of NFT Business Insights. You can go there for our Eventbrite link. And then we have our GameFi workshop coming up the next following week. And the thing is, we're doing Sundays, but now we are adding on. I need to add our DeFi workshops. I need to add our Dream Academy workshops. And I also need to add our I just had another possible collab with this guy who has an NFT collection. He's going to educate us how to build an NFT collection, which is so cool too. So there's just watch out for the calendar schedule, and I got to see how we're going to do this all. But there's a lot of collaborative projects in the works, which I'm very excited about. As always, please join our socials. We're there to chat with you, and also we just love to recruit volunteers. If you want to be more involved, if you have skills and talents to, contribute to this community, come on board. We welcome you. And we're going to stop doing the pump it up dance because we got a notice from YouTube that we can't monetize on those videos content because of the song. So I'm going to ask my little brother, who is a musician, to make me a track or something where we can dance to. But for the meantime, I'll say ciao in this way. Ciao, and I'll see you soon. Bye.